Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can add a password to your Windows 11. Now this is very quick and easy. All you have to do, guys, you want to click on Windows key where it says here start. You want to click on it and then you want to click on settings. Okay, and after, guys, you click on settings, you want to click on accounts, and after you click on accounts you want to scroll down a little bit and you want to click on where it says sign in options. As you can see, it says here Windows hello, security key, password, dynamic lock. You want to click on that, and here you will find 4 different options or 5 different options. Now it depends on your laptop. Now for me it says here face recognition is the option is currently unavailable because my laptop doesn't support this option. Fingerprint recognition, it's also not available on my laptop. And as you can see, pin, you can like use a pin or security key or password. Like for you it will say here password at the bottom. Here you will find your password. You just want to click on it, and then after you click on it you want to click on add in the left, or you can also set a pin if you want. Click change pin, and then you can add here the old pin, okay, and the new pin here, and then you want to click OK, and that's it. So you can do the same thing with password. If you see here password, click on it, and then in the right you want to see you will find your add. You want to click on add, and then you want to add your password there. That's it. Okay, hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. Click the video in the screen if you want to learn more about Windows. See you guys in the next video.